Dear viewers, today we will discuss very important topic related to economics, concept of market failure. When the market system fails to effectively allocate resources to their most valued use or net loss in societal welfare results. This is known as market failure. In other words, market failure is the occurrence of an inefficient resource allocation, inefficiency and inequity as the result of the free market mechanism failing to distribute resources efficiently and optimally. There are various kinds of market fail such as externalities. Externalities are when one person or group's actions have an impact on the welfare of others in a manner that is not reflected in market prices. For instance, factory pollution can have a negative externality on the environment and public health, but the market price of the products those factories create does not account for these costs. Public goods. These are products or services that are non-excludable and non-rival in usage, which means that people cannot be prevented from using them and that one person's use of the good does not reduce another's use of it. Public goods include things like street lighting, public parks, and national security. Monopoly power. Monopoly power is when one company has a sizable amount of market power, allowing it to set prices above the level of competition, reducing production and consumer surplus as a result. Information asymmetry. When one party to a transaction has more knowledge than the other, there is information asymmetry when which can cause market failure because of misaligned incentives or secret information. Adverse selection in insurance marketplaces and moral hazard in the financial industry are two examples. Merit goods. Merit commodities are products and services that are thought to be helpful to society but are not widely used in a free market because they are expensive or are not well known. Examples include health care and schooling. Government intervention may be required in instances of market failure to address market inefficiencies and effectively allocate resources to decrease harmful externalities. For instance, the government may apply taxes or regulations, grant subsidies for public goods, or dismantle monopolies to encourage competition.